Hey, it's Mongo. Mongo. Got the bar end off right here. Off this side here. I'm gonna take the stock bolt out. Right here. I'm gonna go set it over by the kit where I got my other bolt. This right here is what come with mine. A lot longer than what's stock on these. So what I'm gonna do here is I am gonna take my bracket, just like I did on this side. I have this end out. I'll put a link to these mirrors. So we're gonna run bolt that come with the mirrors through the mirror bracket, through the bar end weight. Now you got a little countersink in there so it'll fit on the handlebar. You just take your 5mm Allen wrench, T-handle, whatever the hell you got. Come right on over. Slide it on like it was factory. You just twister. It's a really long bolt, so you're going to be twisting for a minute. So, there we go. Show y'all real quick what we got here. So there's the factory bar end. Looks like there's a little rubbage there. Factory bar end. This is the only thing we really are worried about is this, because that's what our mirror's going to clamp to. So then here in a little bit, here in a couple minutes, I'm going to have another mirror hanging off there. But that's the finished product. I'll put a link of these mirrors in the description. But yeah, so take that out, swap the hardware that comes with this in the mirror, just the big long bolt, run that just like that, run it through. See, it's nice and tight, it don't shake, nothing. So you go from that, and this is how this works, just a clamp, little Allen head right here. Just clamp it down, whatever your preference is. Hell, you can probably ride it up high if you want. But yeah, just a quick video, show you guys how to make a nice clean fitting mirror setup. I think it turned out good. The only thing you can see is just a little gray in there, but that ain't hateful. Kind of goes with the bars. But yeah, I hope this helps, and rock on.